back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news as well as celebrity gossip. Guys, Usitelo got engaged. Sithelo Shozi got engaged, guys. Like, another person has been taken. Like, the baddies, Sana, people are taking the baddies. People are taking the baddies. Sizosala sisodwa nje thina. Firstly, it was Usayen, but Usayen it's just a rumor. Like, she didn't confirm anything, it's just a rumor for now. It's allegedly. But for Usitelo, we saw the pictures, we saw the videos, people are just congratulating her on social media. But there are people that are not happy about all of this. People are just like, konde off. Ikhona into of this is just a cover up proposal slash cover up marriage, because what the heck? Because so guys, those who don't know, there's a guy that got arrested. The guy that bought Usain Buji a 10 million rands mansion. He got arrested, and it's the same guy that allegedly paid lobola for Usain Buji. So because of that 10 million rands mention, Usain Buji's accounts were frozen, ne? And then the guy got arrested. And then as time goes by, we discover that it was just a love triangle, sana enye nje eningi kakhulu kakhulu, because the guy that got arrested, kuthiwa he is, the guy that always blesses the baddies, sana. He is a blesser of the blessers. The guy has blessed Usain Buji, the guy has blessed Usithelo Shozi, as well as Umahu, allegedly, of course. So all of a sudden, she was blessed by this guy that got arrested, and then in a few days she's getting engaged. It raises eyebrows, Sana. It raises eyebrows. And when we talk, people will say, hey, you guys are jealous, this and that. It does look suspicious. It really does. And people in the comment section were just not having it, Sana. People were just like, no, Sithelo Shows is just doing this as a cover up. She doesn't want to be linked to the blesser that keeps on blessing people, and now the blesser is arrested for some corruption. So nje kuningi sana. And kuthiwa ke allegedly Usayen, no, not Sayen, Usitelo Shozi, her BBL was also paid by a blesser. So we really don't know who is it, that blesser that they share with Usayen noma who allegedly, or it's another blesser, but nje kuningi sana. Kuningi. So the people that are linked to the blesser that got arrested, they are going to be under investigation. Which is why Usain Buji deactivated her social media accounts. And the other one is getting engaged. Nina Kuningi, we are still going to watch a movie in South Africa. Like, a lot of people are getting arrested, Sana. A lot of people are getting arrested. Abanye, they are committing fraud near Eskom. Kuningi. When people are getting arrested and it's a movie, we are going to be watching a movie. And kuthiwa allegedly, guys, allegedly, the guy that engaged Usitelo, now he is involved in some shady dealings, nyana, but he is from I think Zimbabwe, ne? He is from Zimbabwe, so and this guy that kuthiwa allegedly, guys go ahead, as in this guy that engaged Usitelo Shozi, ne? Naye he might be doing some undercover proposal. Naye maybe he is trying to hide something. Ngoba kuthiwa allegedly he also receives ama tenders in South Africa, and he is Zimbabwean. So now he kind of looks shady, in all of this. Ngapha bosithelo nabo they are shady, spending imali namablesser. Kuningi sana, kuningi. I just wish her all the best, man. We need to stop speculating in other people's ndabas, because we don't have the full proof, sana. We really don't have the full proof. And at the end of the day, Naye Usitelo Shows it deserves happiness, shame. Because now there are also rumors going around. Kuthiwa she is allegedly pregnant. Usitelo Shozi. People are just like, Usitelo Shozi, in that proposal pictures and the videos, she looks pregnant, which could also be the reason for the engagement. We don't know. But nje abantu bathi ayisithelo shozisana, big ups girl, you surely do know how to choose your baby daddies. Like, your baby daddies are all money, Disana, and this is going to be her fourth child if she is pregnant, because it's just speculations now from people on social media, which I think is, guys, it's so wrong, man, to speculate something like this. But who am I to judge? Because now here I am talking about other people's news, and anyway, guys, please let me know in the comment section down below what you think of today's video. I will see you on my next upload.